Hi everyone, welcome to my video. My name is Fiona from the University of Maryland University College Data Analytics program. I'm taking the class Data 620, that's Data Management and Visualization, instructed by Professor Majed Alganda. This is the class of the summer of 2017. In this short video, I'm going to talk about time series analysis on American time use. As you can see, I'm using Tableau for this analysis and I've already uploaded my data set. We're going to look at the storybook that I created that shows how these different variables impact American time use and different predictions that I made for these variables. The first graph that I'm looking at is a line graph that shows how food and drink preparation and caring for children impact American time use. As you can see, I differentiated the variables by color, and I also added trend lines to give me more insight into my analysis. As you can see, food and drink preparation is trending upwards while caring for children is trending downwards. This makes sense considering the fact that as a family grows bigger, they would spend more time on food and drink preparation, and as children grow older by the years, parents would spend less time caring for them. And as you can see, females in general spend more time on these activities compared to males. I also included a forecast, a prediction for the future data. You can see this analysis was done from 2004 to 2010. So my prediction is from 2011 2018, and you can see that shaded areas show this. You can see a steady growth my in the prediction, and the shaded area shows that there's a 95% confidence that my predicted data will lie within this shaded region. And the next graph that I looked at that we're going to look at is how sports impact American time use. As you can see, males spend more time on sports activities compared to females. And I also included trend lines and a prediction in this graph. The other graph we're going to look at is a bar chart that shows how employment status and education level impact American time use. This was only for those that are employed from high school to professor degree level. As you can see, that individuals earning the highest are those that are highly educated, with professor degree being the highest level of education. You can see that as years go by, weekly earnings increase, but we see a downward trend in weekly hours worked. This could mean that as years go by, there's increase in technology and increase in skilled labor. So the weekly hours work, individuals don't have to put in so many hours of work to get the job done, but we see increase in weekly in earnings because there's highly skilled labor. The next graph we're going to look at is socialization and relaxing. How does socialization and relaxing impact American time use? As you can see, individuals that are highly educated and putting in the most weekly hours worked don't have time to socialize and relax. The purple dots show the socialization and relaxing intervals, and we don't see any purple dots on doctoral degree holders, professor degree holders, and master's degree holders. As you can see, they are also the ones that earn the highest. Um, the last graph that we're going to look at is a general overview of my data set. I used a stacked bar chart for this overview, and you can see that it's pretty evident that females spend more time on activities like housework, caring for children, and food and drink preparations as compared to males. And we also see that the brown bars show that males earn the most as compared to females. Um, my references include I got this data set from the Big Data University database, and I also got some information from the Journal of Economic Perspectives. Such an analysis, such a prediction can be good for economic analysis if you're looking at factors like employment level, if you're looking at how individuals allocate time to work and other activities outside work. Such an analysis will be very good for such predictions. Thank you so much for watching my video. Have a great day.